Look at that, the flowers blooming.
Yeah.
Get damn squirrel.
Squirrel almost got it.
Look at it, he followed me. I want to go over there, but
No, don't go over there. Where you finna go now? Guess what, your boy? Good morning.
look at that, how the rocks, the color. Oh my, it's so pretty.
There go my trail right there to get out. Watch this. It's a walk over. I'm thinking it's one shit.